अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस नाम तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा है, but what does it mean? अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस का मतलब है when fat is deposited in these arteries causing stiffening or hardening of these arteries. Or atherosclerosis is the cause because of which arteries get narrowed or blocked, and that is why problems like heart attack, stroke and leg attacks happen. But क्या इन सब के पीछे सिर्फ फैट का रोल है या और भी कुछ है? आज के इस वीडियो में आई विल टेल यू कि फैट के अलावा क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है विच कैन लीड टू अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक्स कि अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस होता ही क्यों है। अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस इज वेयर प्लाक्स बिल्ड अप विद इन योर ब्लड वेसल्स। दिस प्लाक इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फैट, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, इन्फ्लेमेटरी सेल्स एंड कैल्शियम, और इन सब चीज़ों का मिक्सचर बनके ऐसा प्लाक बनता है विच leads to blockages of your arteries. Now let's talk about what role fat has to play. Fat also हर बार harmful नहीं है. Fat can be of different types. Saturated fats, unsaturated fats or trans fats. इसमें saturated fats which are richer in the LDL cholesterol can be harmful to your body in the long term. These fats are solid at room temperature. जैसे आप बटर या घी ले ले, and even animal foods are more rich in saturated fats. Dairy consumption of saturated fats to a smaller level may be healthy, but अगर इसका consumption एक level से ऊपर जाता है, then these saturated fats will lead to an increased amount of cholesterol and harmful fats in your body, in turn leading to a higher incidence of atherosclerosis. Trans fats are found mainly in either processed foods or fried foods. Processed foods like even bakery items, cookies, cakes, pastries, इन सब के अंदर trans fats ज़्यादा होते हैं, and काफ़ी fried foods में which use mainly hydrogenated vegetable oils, they also contain lot of trans fats. These trans fats are artificial fats which are more harmful to your body than either the saturated or unsaturated fats. Trans fats की वजह से सिर्फ आपका LDL level बढ़ता है ऐसा नहीं है. These can also reduce your good cholesterol or HDL levels, so they negatively impair your health. इंडिया में स्ट्रीट फूड्स खाने वाले लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, सबको मज़ा भी आता है, but that is the main source of trans fats for our Indian food. वो चाहे समोसा हो या भजिया हो, ट्रांस फैट इनके अंदर भर भर के मिलता है. थर्ड काइंड इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स. अब अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स आर यूजुअली लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. दे कैन बी मोनो और पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैट. दे आर ऑफन फाउंड इन ऑयल्स, nuts, seeds and fish. These fats are known to reduce your LDL cholesterol level and increase your HDL cholesterol level. इसलिए unsaturated fats may actually be healthy for your heart and other cardiovascular health. So atherosclerosis में सिर्फ fat नहीं होता है. There are other components as well. Inflammation is one of the starting or triggering points for atherosclerosis. Inflammation is swelling of the internal lining of blood vessels as well as hardening of blood vessels. और ये inflammation बढ़ने का आज की तारीख में सबसे major reason है sugar. So sometimes excess amount of sugar may be as harmful or probably more harmful than fats for your atherosclerosis. जब inflammation की वजह से artery की inner lining बहुत unstable हो जाती है और वहाँ माइनर क्रैक्स आते हैं, और यहाँ इस टेयर की जगह पर कोलेस्ट्रॉल पार्टिकल्स के साथ साथ अदर इन्फ्लेमेटरी सेल्स ऑल्सो ज्वाइन टू सील ऑफ दैट एरिया. दिस लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लाक और अथेरोस्क्लेरोटिक प्लाक. इसमें टाइम जाने के साथ साथ देयर इज डिपोजिशन ऑफ कैल्शियम एज वेल विच लीड्स टू मोर हार्डनिंग एंड स्टिफनिंग ऑफ दीज आर्टरीज. अथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस ऐसा कहा जाता है स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 15 to 20 years and can gradually increase up to the age of 50 to 60 years. But nowadays, these 4 modern risk factors are contributing to a very large extent. And these 4 risk factors are unhealthy diet and food habits, especially sugar, stress, reduced physical activity, and inadequate sleep. These 4 are the modern risk factors for artery blockages. Atherosclerosis को अगर आपको कम करना है, what are the things that you should do? The first is choose heart healthy fats. Fats बंद करो ऐसा नहीं है, but choose the ones which are less harmful for your health. So eat the saturated fats in moderation, and you can eat unsaturated fats in a decent amount. Use oils like olive oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, which are useful for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids जिन fruits में या foods में होता है, they also are healthy for your heart. Mainly for non-vegetarians it is the fish, but for vegetarians, nuts and seeds are very important sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Second important step is to avoid trans fats. Always check for the presence of hydrogenated oils. कई बार ये palm oils के नाम से भी जाने जाते हैं. These foods which are prepared in palm oils may be more harmful for your body. Third part is to limit the amount of saturated fats that you have. Lean meat may be okay. Similarly, for dairy products, don't go for full fat products. Go for low fat or fat free products of dairy, which may be your favorite milk, yogurt or even cheese. The fourth important part is to cook healthier. Instead of frying, try baking, boiling, grilling or steaming your food. And also stay away from packaged foods as far as possible. Food के लिए एक और important tip है that control your portion size. Eat as much as your body needs, not what your body wants. Food के साथ साथ atherosclerosis को reduce करने के लिए there are a number of lifestyle changes which you also should be doing, and most important ones would be to cut down on smoking and alcohol intake. The second important step would be to maintain a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise. Exercise is not just going to the gym. अगर आप daily walking भी करते हैं, do include yoga, flexibility and strength training into your exercise schedule, और इन सब से आपको फायदा ज़्यादा मिलने वाला है. Also important is to maintain a healthy weight. Losing excess weight can help reduce your overall cardiovascular risk. इसके साथ साथ those who have problems like diabetes, blood pressure should be on regular medications and surveillance and checkups with their doctors to make sure कि ये problems बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. So for atherosclerosis, fat alone is not the problem. It is a mix of diet, sugar and other problems which together can lead to faster increase in your atherosclerosis. And if you want to specifically know which are the foods that you should eat to reduce the amount of clogging in your arteries, you will find this video very interesting.